I'm going to hit new right here and give my routing a number. And this description is going to be called making pizza. And for this example, we're going to have it as serial, meaning one step is followed by the next step. So in the lines over here, we could fill in our work center that the routing will go through. So first we're going to be grating the cheese on top of the pizza. So the setup time, I'm going to put 10 minutes and run time as 1. There is going to be no wait time, move time for now. And then if you go all the way to the last column, it says unit cost. And I'm going to make this 50 cents. And you can see I left operation number blank. We're going to fill it in as 10. I'm going to add in a second work center. So I will put this as 20. As I said, it's a serial type, so it's going to go from 10, 20, 30, etc. This work center is going to be the cardboard box. So we're actually just going to box our pizza. And this is only going to take 5 minutes with a runtime of 1. And this will cost us 35 cents. Now we come up to here and status, we change to certified. If I click OK, the routing number is now associated with this item card pizza. You can see now I have a production bill of materials and a routing associated with the pizza item, so that when I create a production order, it'll be pulling in both of those fields. Now let's global search for released production orders. And I'm going to go to new. And I will give a description called making pizza. The source number as our item, pizza. And we'll set the quantity to 100. So now I'm going to go to process and refresh production order, and I'm going to click OK. I'm going to go to process and refresh production order and click OK from here. From here, I'm going to go to process and refresh production order and click OK. Now we see that the pizza is not taking the entire day. We now have a starting and ending time. If you've noticed on prior release production orders, it took the whole day because there was no routing set up. So by having routing, we can be more efficient and productive with our time. So in this example, it takes about 4-ish hours. So let's drill down onto the routing by going to line and routing. So now let's drill down into the routing itself. So if we go to the line and then routing, we can now see that it has to go through grating cheese work center and as well as the cardboard box work center. If we expand this a little more, we can see the starting date and ending time for both of these work centers. We can also assign tasks to machine centers, which will be covered in the following video. Now you know how to add routing and time management to your production orders in Business Central.